Children, I have explained you the chapter one and many. That is, I have explained you the use of. I have explained you the where you will use S, E S, I E S, V E S. Okay, children. This you all have understood now. Now, children, there are some nouns. Come to page number 15. There are some nouns, children, and when you want to make its plural, you have to change. The spelling will be completely changed. That means they will not follow any rule. Okay? But they will completely change its form. There are some plurals which don't follow the rule, that is S, E S, I E S and V E S, but they completely change their form. That is, children, if you will write here woman, W-O-M-A-N, woman, what will be the plural of this woman? The plural of this woman will be women. A will be replaced by E. That is, the spelling will be changed. Your plural will not be W-O-M-A-N-S, women's. No. This will not be the plural. Woman will be the plural. Suppose you are writing man. What will be the plural of man, children? Mans. Mans will be the plural. Or mans will be the plural. What will be its plural? This is also wrong. The correct plural will be men. So, children, there are some words which don't follow the rule of S, E S, I E S or V E S, but they completely change their form. Okay, children. So, on your book on page number 15, children, you can see several words given. That is woman, woman, child, children. Child means only one child, children, but children means when many child are sitting together, we call them children. Understood? Ox, oxen, foot, feet, tooth, teeth, mouse, mice, man, men. All these children you have to learn. Okay? Now come proceeding further. Some nouns are the same in both singular and plural forms. Now, children, कुछ nouns ऐसे होते हैं जो कि अपना रंग रूप नहीं बदलते हैं प्लूरल होने के बावजूद भी. Try to understand, children. कुछ nouns ऐसे होते हैं कि जिनमें न तो हम लोग s लगाते हैं, न तो es, न तो ies, न तो उसका कंप्लीटली फॉर्म चेंज होता है. नथिंग. वो लोग सिंगुलर में भी वही रहेंगे और प्लूरल में भी वही रहेंगे. सो चिल्ड्रन, देयर आर सम नाउन्स दैट आर बोथ इन सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल. कुछ नाउन्स ऐसे होते हैं चिल्ड्रन जो कि सिंगुलर और प्लूरल दोनों सेम ही रहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल चिल्ड्रन, शीप. Sheep, S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Sheep means भेड़. What you will add here to make it plural? Will you add anything? Will you add anything? क्या इसमें कुछ जोड़ेंगे? इसमें से कुछ हटाएंगे plural बनाने को? No, you will not add anything. So what will be the plural of the sheep? It will be sheep. Singular will be sheep, it will be, and in plural also It will be sheep. Understood all of you children? In singular also sheep and in plural also sheep. Fish. Singular also we will write fish and plural also we will write fish. Understood all of you children? Understood? So on page number 15 you have to learn those words which are same in singular and plural forms. What are the words children? Fish, sheep, deer, fruit. These are the words children which are singular and plural both. So on page number 15 learn this too and do the exercise on page number 15, that is E, and on page number 16, that is F. So this lesson is completed. Go through the video and learn it, all the nouns, which how they will change in plural forms. Okay children, have a good day now. Bye bye.